One of the most common questions that people ask me is, I want to marry a U.S. citizen boyfriend or girlfriend. Can I interview in the U.S.? How do I get my green card? It's a great question. There are several important things to keep in mind. Number one, you have to possess a lawful entry to the U.S., as demonstrated by your passport. If someone comes across the border, that is not a lawful entry. Number two, your spouse-to-be, should be a U.S. citizen, not a green card holder, and that would be demonstrated by a birth certificate if they were born here, or a naturalization certificate. Number three, you cannot become a public charge, so they would need to demonstrate that they have a job, a bank account, tax returns, and that you wouldn't be a dole on the government dole. Finally, when you go to the interview, you will need to demonstrate the bona fides of your marriage, or that it's a real marriage based on love and not a desire to get a green card. Typical documents that you would show are joint bank account, joint tax returns. If you have a child in common, you would bring the birth certificate, correspondence addressed to both of you at the same address, driver's licenses showing the same address, and finally, a large photo album of your wedding or your general life together. If you are in need of an experienced immigration attorney, feel free to contact my office. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.